Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Haval H2 Premium, stock reference number 5094. This shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 2nd month 2021. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, right-hand daytime running light, left-hand daytime running light and left-hand fog light. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear factory alloy mag 18-inch good tyre. Right left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.